Carson Kitchen is in the kitchen today. We are here with Hunter and David. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
Well, and thanks for bringing the spread. This is looking beautiful. What are we making today, gentlemen?
So preparation-wise today for you guys, we'll be making the deviled eggs. Kind of like our take on a classic style dish with a nice little mix-up, incorporating a really nice Italian pancetta with a really rich flavor profile, as well as some Tobiko caviar to add a nice little texture, and also introduce that aspect to a lot of people who haven't really tried caviar before.
I'm a little bit scared when somebody says caviar. I don't know if I'm fancy enough for that. And my mama makes a mean deviled egg, so we're gonna have to put this one to the test.
A little bit of a competition in that case then. So in terms of our base, we just do a little bit of our egg white. We'll come in with our deviled egg filling. Nice little piping on top. We'll introduce our pancetta first, in my opinion. It tends to be the easiest thing to go in first with. Really nice herbal flavor profile and very rich, almost a little bit of a nutty profile to it also.
So this is a twist on this.
Yeah. So we take a little bit of this Tobiko caviar. So it's a little bit atypical versus your standard caviar that's really briny. This one's just more for texture. It's definitely introduction to caviar for sure. So
that's what I need. I need a caviar 101 for beginners.
Yeah, and then we'll take a little bit of chervil here, which is honestly the greatest way of saying really nice parsley. It's a little bit more fragrant, a little bit more standard, and has great texture to it also. Really helps finish things off in terms of a great garnish.
Now I'm allowed to try it.
Oh, dig right in.
Now this is going to be a mouthful, so before I do this, I'm going to ask you what sets you guys apart and makes you so unique.
So Carson Kitchen is kind of a southern gastropub kind of concept. What we really try to do is we try to take, new or maybe unfamiliar kind of ingredients and present them in a vehicle that feels a little bit more comfortable or relatable. So that's what you see with that deviled egg there.
And that is delicious, everyone. I just tried that. That is so good. I didn't taste it, because caviar, I think it's going to be fishy or something like that. It's fish eggs, right? But not at all. It's just light and yummy. And sorry, Mom, they got you beat. Sorry.
Definitely one of our favorite items. Easily one of our best sellers too. This is just a little peek of the show. The utilization of unique ingredients on the menu is honestly, like, out of all the restaurants I've worked in my career, off the charts.
Okay, you're playing some favorites, which I love. So tell us, what are some of the other menu items we can see? This watermelon salad looks so delicious.
Easily one of my go-tos.
So a little watermelon salad here. We actually have a salmon on the menu right now with a little mango salsa on top with a little toasted coconut. And this is our probably one of our flagship items here. It's the bacon jam.
Oh, okay, you had me at bacon, and I see there's cheese. I am set. I maybe just fell in love.
Yeah, absolutely. So we have a summer menu going on right now. We usually change twice a year, so fall menu's getting ready to come up here pretty quick. So it's going to be like the last little hurrah of this menu for us going on right now.
Okay, so what is your favorite thing on the entire menu, real quick?
Oh, our desserts are out of this world.
I knew we were going to get along, David. The desserts are going to be great. So where can we find you guys? We need a reservation, lunch, dinner. You guys do it all, right?
Oh, do it all.
We do it all. So we're going to be located downtown on 2nd and 2nd in the Milagro apartment building right next to the AC Hotel. We're open every day from 11:30 in the morning until 10:30 at night. That'll be Monday through Friday. No, Monday through Friday. And Saturday we close at 11 o'clock.
And then we also have an absolutely phenomenal brunch service to go along with everything else.
Okay, so you got to try the brunch. We got to try the summer menu. The fall menu's coming. Gentlemen, this was absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you so much for having us. We really appreciate it.